Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. I've had a very busy week, literally non-stop guys, but I'm just come on here just to say hello and I hope you're all doing amazing. But I'm going to show you a nice ingredient that I'm going to make because I've literally just got back. So I'm going to make a really nice healthy blueberry egg pancakes, really homemade, super simple. Like, I'm literally on the go guys, so I like anything that is just quick and easy. What I've got, all you need is some nice flour. So I have got the plain white organic flour. So yeah, I like anything with the organics in it. There's 1 or 2 eggs. I literally just put 1 egg for now, but you can put 1 or 2 eggs. And then just some banana. I am just making it super simple and very quick today. And then all it is just a few handful of blueberries. That's literally all it is. You can drizzle a bit of honey, but I have got the organic date syrup. I don't know if you can see date syrup. I absolutely love dates, so I like to drizzle a bit of this with my pancakes just to have that really nice natural sweetness to it. And if you want the full ingredients of how I made it, go and check out my blog because I've definitely put everything through there. So yeah guys, let's make this really nice healthy pancakes. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm gonna add my bananas into the bowl and then my egg and then the flour. So yeah, so I'm just gonna peel this banana, and usually I like to just kind of break it in little pieces, but like I said, I'm only gonna do 1 banana today because I just want something simple. Kind of mash it. And then I go in with my egg. So just crack 1 egg into the bowl. And just give it a nice stir. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. I'm going in with my organic flour and I just take a couple of tablespoons into the batch. So I don't want to go overdo, so I just kind of use a couple of teaspoons. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of cinnamon to it just to give that really nice, extra nice flavour to it. So I just use a couple of sprinkles. And then we just give it a whisk. So once I've done that, I'm going in with my blueberries. So just a handful of blueberries. But I just like to put it in the bowl. Usually I like to put it in the pan, but I just thought I like to mix it all together. So I am going to put it into the bowl. So once I've done that, I'm going to add into my pan. So I've already added some olive oil into it. So now I'm just going to put the batch into the pan, and it really gives it a really nice golden colour. But I usually would put it in a jug with this, but I literally cannot find my jug anyway. So I'm just going to pour it all in. Yeah guys, we're going to see this beautiful, nice pancake. So we are going to flip this up, and then as you can see, it's got that really nice golden colour. And this is why I love the blueberries because it really soaks right into it and with all the juice. So yeah guys, this is how I make my pancakes with just simple and easy ingredients. So yeah, and I also like to just dip it like this just to get some of the air into it and just to really make sure that it's fully cooked right inside the middle. Yeah guys, I think that this one is done. Okay guys, so now it's done. Look how nice and golden this is. You can just see all the blueberries there, all nice and blended in. So now we're about to serve this. Look at that guys, how delish. Done 3 batch of pancakes, so I've done a bigger size and then I'm going to do a smaller size. And there we have it guys. top it up, we are going to add our handful There we have it, guys. Blueberry egg banana pancake. How delicious that. I'm going to taste test for you guys. So I absolutely love my pancakes already. Like I said, guys, it is simple and easy. So if you want the full ingredients, definitely check out my blog. But yeah, guys, dive right into this because I am super hungry. So yeah, I'm going in with my date syrup, but you can add like honey or syrup, golden syrup, but yeah, I'm gonna go with my date syrup today. But yeah, I'm going to put this all over my pancake. We are going to see how this, like, it's already fluffy, guys, if you can see, but look how nice that is. Now let's taste test this. Amazing, guys. Tastes super nice, guys. Definitely tastes so nice with all the blueberries in it. And like I said, the syrup really just adds that nice sweetness to it. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this off. Hope you enjoyed this video and definitely go and check out my blog. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more, guys. And yeah, I will catch you guys soon. Bye.